Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about the microphone, and this is the wireless microphone, the K9, and it's a double microphone, meaning that it's got two mic, and this kind of device that you plug into your phone and it connects with this, and so you can talk here and it picks up your voice from here. And basically this I'm interested in the K9 because I've seen quite a lot of videos about this and nice reviews on this one, even though it says here it's made in China. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's of bad quality, but that's good quality. I suppose it's going to be alright, it's going to live up to its words. Quite a bit of information here, some of them in Chinese language. You can use this for interview, you can use it for very short, vlog, short video, live show as well. Of course, you can use it for other purposes such as recording your voice while you're uploading videos of any type, could be teaching, could be of any nature. And again, we've got quite a bit of information here. It says plug and play, 20 meters of accessible reception, precise radio, and also got a clear timbre that I don't know what that means, kind of a very deep in meaning here, highly sensitive and widely compatible. So if it says widely compatible, I'm expecting this to be compatible with my phone. I don't know if you can use it on a laptop, alright, and it's for Type-C, so we've got Type-C, and for iPhone, the Type-C iPhone as well, and even the Type-C phone, iPhone plus V8 and so on. And some of the information here are just in Chinese language, and I don't know anything about that. So I'm going to be unboxing this, so let's try and see here what we have inside. So just tear this off. Right, so here we go. It's designed to sort of like muffle the background noises, basically. I mean, if you're recording a video, there's all kinds of noises outside. The dog might be barking. Here it comes. Looks very nice. The two microphone and that device that plugs into your phone that actually picks up the signal. And basically, let me just look at this one here. There we go. If you plug this in, this is the this is where you put your power adapter to charge that thing, I suppose. Alright, that should be then it. Of course, we're going to have to remove these little plastics, and you've got the sensor there. Alright, so take off this thing, just take this out. Alright, so put this over here. The mic itself, okay, a nice clip that you can put on your shirt, alright, and so I'm just going to be taking that one off here. So I guess now here also you've got a little thing for power. You can just press this on. I don't know if there's any light that should be coming up from here. Okay, and as for this, I need to plug this in my phone, see. So I'm going to be recording my voice in the same video, but with these two, alright, so with this microphone. And as it is now, there's an electric fan in the background, and you've heard the clicking of the doors behind my back. And there's quite a lot of the wind outside also making some noises here, neighbors as well. So I guess this spongy kind of thing here, actually what it does, it cuts off all the background noises and muffle them. I can even hear the rustling of the leaves right now, and because of the wind blowing. So as you can see, this woman is shouting in the background there. One of my neighbors, you can hear her shouting a lot. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to try and just remove these. There's a leaflet here to give you some instructions of how to connect this thing. And so inside, I guess there should be some kind of power cable, yeah. And so I'm going to charge this device and see if it's fully charged. and after it's fully charged, I'm going to be using it on my phone. What else? There's some phone that requires software so that it can pick up. If it doesn't, I think you need to go in your camera setting, or no, I mean voice recording setting, and see if there's any software that will pick up this thing. Alright, so it says here wireless microphone. Okay, so we'll see you in a bit. Take care. Okay, so I just connected this device, I mean the mic, into my phone, and the microphone is here. Just you can see the green light is on. It's not blinking because actually it picked up and it paired with the other device that is connected to this that I plugged into my phone, and so that means it's able to receive now. So actually. My voice is being recorded on through this mic. So I'm just going to clip this on my shirt here. Make sure that it's in the proper place. And I guess this one here that they've given is a spare one. So the other one gets damaged, you can use this one. And actually I didn't have to sort of like, download any software for the mic to pick up the signal. It immediately picks up, and there was enough charge in it so that it would be powered on. So here we go. Let's try and see now. All I need to do is just to stop recording and listen to my own video and try and see if there's been any improvement when it comes to the recording. Take care. Hi there, I'm back again to give you a full feedback of how this K9 wireless microphone is working. Here is the spare one, and you can see I've clipped the other one in my shirt here, and the green light is steady, as you can see. All right, so that means it's working, it's properly connected, and I'm very satisfied with it. It's very nice. And of course, it won't be able to actually muffle all the sound in the background. Of course, if somebody is talking or somebody is making loud noises, you're still bound to hear it in the background. But what I like about this wireless microphone is that when you talk, it's also like make your voice very clear on the recording. So there's no struggle in trying to listen what you're saying, especially if you're uploading a video. And for that matter, I would say this is a fantastic microphone. And by all means, I would say that its quality is fantastic. It's easy to use, easy to plug in. Just plug it in, and it's just going to be up and running. So that's cool. All right. So the K9 wireless mic or microphone, the full word microphone, is fine with me, and I guess it will be fine with you as well. There shouldn't be any problems. All right, take care, and thanks for watching.